Today I'm going to pick a little lever lock. I got this on eBay. It's a small little lock. Doesn't have any name on it. It used to have a flap cover here. You can see where the bolt was, but that's gone. Here's the key. And it looks like it could possibly be 4 lever, maybe 3. See how it opens. Go. And inside here if we can. Turn the lock there. You can see the locking pawl. Yeah. It's a pretty beefy, hefty little lock. Looks like it's definitely handmade. And to compare the size of it, here is a Squire 330. It's just about the same size. And here is a 550. And here is a 770. And here is a monster. So, looks like another handmade type lock. But we're going to be picking this one, so let's get to it. Sure it's locked. Lighten it up a bit. Okay, I'm going to be using homemade tensioner. This was made by Coxie. And this wire pick was also made by Coxie. We'll give it a try. Put a moderate amount of tension. Try and work the levers. There, oh, I have it open. Back locked again. Thanks for watching.